Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Amazon Prime connection or add a new member onto your account. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser or the Amazon app on your device. Once you open the Amazon application, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner and then scroll down and you will find the account option. Go ahead and tap on it. And now from this page, if you scroll down, you will find Manage Your Household button. Go ahead and tap on this. From this page, you will be allowed to add a new account onto your account. Go ahead and type in their name along with their email address in order to give access onto your Amazon Prime account. Then tap on the Continue button, and now your invitation will be sent to the user that you just added. And once they tap on the Accept option, they will be able to access your Amazon Prime account as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add a new member to your Amazon Prime account or share your membership. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.